For narrow, congested sites. For comfortable, fatigue-free work. For a safe, protected environment. For fast, easy maintenance, Volvo presents the ECR range of short-radius compact excavators. Tried and tested technologies, uncompromising sturdiness, exceptional ergonomics. ECR28, 38, 58Plus, and 88Plus have been designed in conjunction with you in order to meet your latest requirements in terms of performance and productivity in the workplace, as well as protecting the integrity of the environment. Each model features a short turning radius for the ability to work with confidence in tight spaces, for extra stability and greater performance. The 58Plus and 88Plus offer an optional added counterweight. The machine's performance makes it possible to get the best of the most demanding sites. The clear, spacious cab and an extensive glazed surface area provide remarkable visibility and comfort. After 5 seconds of non-operation of any hydraulic function, the engine reverts automatically to idling speed, less noise on sites, lower diesel consumption, and therefore reduced operating cost. The new generation Volvo engine is even quieter. It has very low emissions. It is located on the side, under a white cover which facilitates easy access to the engine components. Maintenance is therefore simplified. Rigorous tests guarantee that your new compact excavators will be operational continuously day after day. The Volvo Construction Equipment Specialized Network is there to provide you with optimum service and to guarantee permanent availability of spare parts. Due to their compactness and extreme handling ability, these machines open up even more new markets and new customers for you. Volvo compact excavators are designed for your maximum productivity, with more care built in.